Hi guys, welcome back to Just Jazzy. I hope you guys have been enjoying my series of nose cuff videos. I have more videos coming toward you, and it will be a variety of things that we will cover in my videos. Today I'm going to be making a minimalistic 10-minute nose cuff for you. I hope you guys enjoy, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and leave me a comment on what you want me to wire wrap or make in the near future. Thank you so much. Sorry about my son being in the background, guys. My motherly duties do come first, and they don't stop when I'm making jewelry. So I have to incorporate him in my crafting or jewelry time, so he's there with me. And so you see his little head in the background. Everybody say hey to Jael. Hope you love this cuff. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.